Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a different video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a slick ponytail using a easy wraparound ponytail that I purchased from the beauty supply store. And this ponytail was super easy to install. Right now I'm just trying to part my hair. I was trying to do like the two parts on the side, slick it down. My hair just didn't want to participate today, so I just went ahead and just started putting some jam on my hair just to slick my hair down. I know one of you all asked me what do I use in my hair to slick it down, and I use the jam now, and it has been doing wonders, just slicking my hair down, giving me that shine. So that's what I'm doing. I am using jam all over my head to slick down my ponytail. So if you're having problems with slicking down your hair, maybe try some jam or try to mix products together. But that's what I am doing, and I'm just brushing it in. And when I do my ponytails, I don't like for my hair to go like straight back. When I'm doing my ponytails, I do like my hair to go in different directions so it don't look so straight back, if that makes sense. You guys will see once the complete look, but I just don't like when my hair is like completely straight back. I like when my hair is going in different directions, like around my edges. So you guys will see what I'm saying. So right now I am going to add some mousse from the beauty supply store. I love this mousse, and I recommend like any hairstyle, if you're doing braids or a ponytail, something that requires you to mold your hair for the hairstyle, I recommend to set it with some mousse, because it's going to give you like that salon look when you put like some hair strips on it to set it. Or I simply just went in with a scarf. So here's the ponytail that I will be using. This is from Shake and Go or Organique. I probably said it wrong, but this is their easy wrapped around ponytail. This is the French roll wave, and this is 24 inches. So cute, y'all. I really wanted the color that was on the packaging, but that's not the color of your hair, so I don't know why I wanted that. But anyways, here is the curl. I love me a nice French curl. I just think it's so cute and timeless, and it just goes with everything. And this is the inside of the ponytail. That's how it look. That part right there is going to help you basically wrap around the ponytail. So right now I'm just braiding my real hair. Y'all, my hair broke off so bad. Like, I know why I did, but my ponytail looked like a bunch of raccoons just been eating on my ponytail, and it just broke off. So I'm just I'm just braiding it, putting my hair in a ball, and I'm taking that comb that is on that hair, and I'm sticking that comb, right next to my ball, and I'm just basically wrapping it around. This is so much like comfortable versus using a drawstring ponytail, because I find those to be very uncomfortable, especially when you pull the string and the comb is sticking you in your scalp. I don't like that. This is very much comfortable. It looks a little bit more natural. It's a little bit more flat, and I recommend to secure it when you get done wrapping it around with a bobby pin, a hairpin I mean. So once you do that and make sure it's secure, you have this piece right here that I'm going to show you guys. This piece, this is what's going to help you cover the tracks. So as you guys can see, You're going to take that and you're going to wrap it around. Y'all, don't be like me. Just take your time and wrap it around, comb it out, make sure the tracks are not showing. I had to go over this a few times. So yeah, just make sure that your tracks are not showing when you're wrapping that piece that was left out for you to wrap around. So that piece is meant to be wrapped around that track. That's why it's a little bit like it's separated from the actual, you know, hair itself, the ponytail itself. So right now I'm just kind of going back in and just basically going over my little swoops or whatever. But as you guys can see, you see how I don't like my hair to just go like, it's not brushed. It's brushed back, but it's not brushed back. Like my hair is going in different directions. So I prefer that look. So right now I'm just going to curl my side pieces. And this is what's going to give you like that S curl, baby hair kind of look. So I recommend for you guys to curl it before if you want that really curly sideburn kind of hair look. And I'm just taking my toothbrush. I like the toothbrush better than I like the edge control brush. I do not like those. Those are hard. It's like you brushing your brain. I ain't got time. So go to the Dollar Tree, get you a soft toothbrush and call it a day. That's what we used to use back in the day when I was young, and I just prefer a toothbrush. So I'm just taking that to help me swoop my hair. I just swoop and follow the swoop with my finger just to help smooth everything out. And right now I'm just showing you guys how long the ponytail is, and I love it. You can fluff it out with your fingers. It's so freaking cute. And I'm just going over everything and just, you know, if I need to re-gel anything, just taking my toothbrush and just, you know, make sure everything is nice and smooth. So this is the final look, you guys. I really love this hair. At first I didn't care too much for the wrap ponytail, but now I like it. I really like it. I like the French roll look, and this is super easy. It's way more comfortable than the drawstring, the traditional drawstring, and I recommend to try the wrap ponytail. So let me know how you guys like this hair, and I'll see you guys.